The health benefits and uses of oregano leaves. 1. Oregano is a well-known herb used in cooking for thousands of years throughout the world. This has some great health benefits and uses for the human body. 2. The name of this herb comes from the Greek words oros and ganos, meaning mountain and joy. 3. The leaves have a unique and wonderful smell. This aroma is caused by compounds within, including thymol, limonene, pinene, ocimene, carvacrol and caryophyllene. 4. You can grow these easily at home, or they can be purchased dried, powdered or as oregano oil. 5. An active ingredient called beta-caryophyllene has been found in oregano. This can be used to treat osteoporosis and works to reduce inflammation and pain. 6. This also can be used to treat those suffering with atherosclerosis, which is the hardening of the arteries. This is a common problem which comes with age and can lead to heart-related problems. 7. We recommend adding oregano into your diet on a daily basis or at least 3 to 4 times per week. It has a wonderful flavour and can be used in many delicious meals. 8. Scientists have also shown that oregano can be used to prevent and treat breast cancer by slowing or preventing the speed of cancer cells. 9. Both the herbs rosemary and oregano help to manage type 2 diabetes by evening out the blood sugar levels. 10. Oregano contains some healthy nutrients including vitamin E, vitamin K, calcium, magnesium, potassium, fibre and manganese. 11. The leaves can be infused in hot water to make a herbal tea. This is usually mixed with other herbs and flavours. This can be drank or gargled when cool to treat a sore throat, headaches or internal parasites. 12. A tea made from oregano can also be soaked into a cotton pad and applied to acne spots or areas where muscle pain is present. It lowers inflammation and heals the body in a completely natural way. 13. Oregano oil is more concentrated but has the same benefits and uses as the fresh or dried leaves. This is more practical for use in massaging aching muscles or applying to pimples or toothache. 14. Oregano leaves have the ability to repel insects. Simply place oregano in warm water and allow the steam to deter pests. 15. Some women drink this tea to lower menstrual cramps, as many herbs such as this have the ability to lower pain throughout the body. 16. You can sprinkle oregano over your delicious meats before cooking to add flavour, or it can be added to soups, salads or stir-fries. Thank you very much for listening. A like is always appreciated, and remember to subscribe and tap the bell for more healthy videos. I wish you great health, wealth and happiness.